Back to the channel. Today, again, we're going to be live streaming NQ. Noticing on market open, we're going to take a look at these RSI levels here. So we're a little bit outside of the range. We're not going to see a continuation, or at least it's not likely we'll see a continuation of this downtrend. So we're going to be throwing it in regression mode, and at the open, we're arming it in both directions. See this chop here as well? Okay, we instantly get filled into a long trade here. So we're just going to be watching and observing. Here, market open likes to move super fast. So we're going to have to on our feet here with our mode selection. If we get filled up here, we're actually going to put it into trend mode on the break of this if that ends up happening. If we get stopped out, we're going to reevaluate based on delta. We're going to wait for some more market information before we do anything if we get stopped out here. We may be getting into a trend mode area. We're going to wait and see if it breaks this zone up here. It is moving its way up, so I wouldn't doubt it. Yeah, it's a clean break to me, I think. Great first win, great way to start the day. As you can see, we're getting some really strong momentum upwards. You can really ride the momentum on NQ. And up here, of course, we're going to be observing that. We'll wait and see how that goes for us. All right, we got filled long here. Of course, we're just going to be rearming the strategy and waiting because I don't see a reason not to at this point. Starting to get a little bit of chop. Looks like this clean momentum has been stopped by momentary. Guys, I really do recommend adding these lines to your chart. They can really help you, especially in market open. At market open, it almost never just continues a trend that has been like just forming outside of this zone. You're almost never going to see that. You're going to see at least some kind of mean regression before we see anything like that. I'm not saying it can't move down throughout the day, but I am saying in the very short term, a great trade there. Got filled super easily. Starting to see an actual zone of chop form here, so we're switching it into regression mode. Also, of course, we saw this delta divergence here for 99 green delta. Do get filled into a short trade there. That's pretty unfortunate, and looks like we actually got an immediate back-to-back fill there. Didn't really have time to switch it to trend mode, but I'm glad we didn't. And then we got filled, so we got a loss and then an instantaneous win. You can see here we're keeping it in regression mode because of all this chop. Even though we're getting a ton of positive delta, we're not seeing consistently green candles across the board. And even on this one here, it's a pretty low magnitude delta. The absolute value of 37 does not really correlate to the movement that we saw. Interesting market open here. A lot of chop, but we only got 2 fills here. And then nothing down this entire leg. Looks like we got filled into a long trade there. On regression, we're going to be rearming it. Pretty nice win there. Got filled into a short trade there. We're going to be automatically rearming it. Hopefully this does in fact act as a magnetic zone. Unfortunately, that is not the case. We may see a continuation of this chop, especially now that we're back inside of this zone. Trade's cooking for a while here. Pretty nice fill. Looks like we are in fact seeing continuation of this range, at least in the short term. And here we got a long fill. Just gonna keep it in regression mode. I don't see any reason to change it at this point. And of course, it's a regressive long. Remember that even in regression mode, sometimes you can see trades be taken that are trend mode trades if polarity sees fit. This does in fact give you an edge. Pretty stellar fill there. I'm actually pretty happy with 27.50. I think I'm probably going to wait until 7. That's usually when I stop trading. But 15 minutes in, already at 27.51. I'd say that's pretty good. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the stream today. So thanks so much, guys, for watching, and see you guys soon.